Today's recipe is Chile Verde. So you want to start by putting all of your peppers onto a tray that you're going to put into the broiler, and I think it's a good idea to probably put foil underneath so it's really easy to clean. Put into the broiler on the top shelf on high for about 5 to 6 minutes. So you want to cut up the pork shoulder into smaller pieces, maybe like 1-inch squares. I ended up cutting off the skin on the outside just because I didn't want any excess fat. So halfway through the charring process, you want to take the peppers out and then flip them over. Then put them back into the oven for another 5 to 6 minutes. Also need to roast onions, so cut a whole onion in half and add that in too. Heat a few tablespoons of oil in a pot and then add half the pork shoulder. Brown all sides of the pork, and then once you're done, you're going to transfer it into a separate bowl and then brown the other half. Put all the peppers into a blender, and then you're going to put the lid on and blend it on high. Then you're going to add onions and garlic and then some cilantro. Then you're going to blend everything again until smooth. Now you're going to stop it and add in cumin and salt. Blend one more time for good measure, and then you're going to pour the sauce into the pot and try to leave about 1 cup left in the blender that you're going to put in at the end of the cooking process. Mix it all together, and then you're going to add the lid to the pot and let it cook for about 2 to 2.5 hours. Also make sure that it's on the lowest setting so that it doesn't burn. I think after the first hour it's good to check on it just to stir it around and then put the lid back on and continue. Once the chili verde is done cooking, you're going to add in the rest of the sauce and then stir it around and serve. We like it in tacos or on top of like chips, but you could also serve it with Spanish rice and refried beans. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.